Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at the only 12 spices that will instantly make you a better cook, creating unique and flavorful dishes. And we're going to be looking at 12 of them. So you guys should just sit down and get your seat and you should just relax and listen to this video and watch us. In case you guys shouldn't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're watching us for the first time. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and appreciate you so much. May the good Lord continue to bless you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will get more gist and more information of when we release the latest videos for you. And also you guys should not forget to give us a thumbs up and show us that you love the video. Moving on to the fourth spice, we have clove. Yes, cloves are the aromatic flower buds of a tree in the family Myrtaceae. Yes, we also have Syzygium aromaticum. They are native to the Maluku Island in Indonesia and are commonly used as a spice. Cloves are available throughout the year due to different harvests. Number 2, we have black pepper, known as Piper nigrum. That is, I would say, is a botanical name or something. Is a flowering vine in the family of Piperaceae. Yes, cultivated for its fruit, known as a peppercorn, which is usually dried and used as a spice and seasoning. When fresh and fully mature, the fruit is about 5 millimeters in diameter and dark red and contains a single seed like all drupes. We have Elysium verum, which is a medium-sized evergreen tree native to northwest Vietnam and southwest China. A spice that is commonly called star anise seed, Chinese star anise, or bardian. We have cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice obtained from the inner bark of several tree spice species from the genus Cinnamomum. Cinnamon is used mainly as an aromatic condiment and a flavoring additive in a wide variety of cuisines, sweet and savory dishes, breakfast cereals, snack foods, tea, and traditional foods. We have cardamom also, which is sometimes cardamom or cardamom is a spice made from the seeds of several plants in the genera Elateria and the Amomum in the family. We have nutmeg, which is the seed or ground spice of several species of the genus Myristicale fragrans. Yes, known as fragrant nutmeg or true nutmeg. Is a dark-leaved evergreen tree cultivated for two species derived from its fruit, nutmeg from its seed and maize from the seed covering, which is how they call nutmeg, and it is also a spice. We have ginger, which is a plant with leafy stems and yellowish green flowers. The ginger spice comes from the roots of the plant. Ginger is native to warmer parts of Asia such as China, Japan, and India, but now is growing in some parts of South America and Africa. It is also now grown in the Middle East to use as medicine and also to use with food. We have saffron, which is pronounced saffron or saffron, and is a spice derived from the flower of Crocus sativus, commonly known as the saffron crocus. The vivid crimson stigma and styles, which is called threads, are collected and dried for use, mainly as a seasoning and coloring agent in food. We have turmeric. Turmeric is a flowering plant, Curcuma longa of the ginger family, Zingiberaceae, the fruits of which are used in cooking. The roots are used in cooking, which is where the turmeric is derived from, just like ginger. We also have capsicum, yes, which is a ground spice that is made from dried red fruit of sweeter varieties of the plant, Capsicum annum. It is traditionally made from Capsicum annum varietals in the long gum. We have cumin seed, which have 8 ridges with oil canals. They resemble caraway seeds, being oblong in shape and longitudinally ridged and yellow. We have coriander, which is an annual herb in the family Apiaceae. It is also known as Chinese parsley or dhania or cilantro. All parts of the plants are edible, but the fresh leaves and the dried seeds are the part most traditionally used in cooking. So thank you guys for staying with us. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to us. And hope you guys have learned something from this. Drop your opinion and comment in the comment section. And you can just subscribe to our channel to follow up for more updates. You can like and also you can share to your friends or invite them to come and watch. So thank you guys for staying with us. We really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and God bless.